In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix extra line spacing in Confluence. If you've ever opened a Confluence page and noticed big, awkward gaps between lines or paragraphs, you're not alone. This usually happens after copying and pasting from another app or when a few extra blank lines sneak in while you're editing. Let's clean that up so your page looks polished and easy to read. Start by opening the Confluence page where the spacing looks off. Give it a moment to load, then switch into edit mode by clicking edit at the top. This takes you into the editor where you can see and control exactly what's happening with your text. Now place your cursor right where the spacing is too large. Aim for the start of the gap, either at the end of the line above the blank space or at the beginning of the line below it. The goal here is to put your insertion point exactly where you need to remove the extra room so your edits are precise. Next, remove any extra blank lines. If your cursor is at the end of the previous line, you can press delete to pull the next line up. If your cursor is at the start of the line below, press backspace to remove empty paragraphs above it. Keep tapping until the lines sit the way you want. You'll usually see the text tighten up as those redundant empty paragraphs disappear when you need a small, tidy line break within the same paragraph. For example, to separate a title from a subtitle or to list items without big gaps, press Shift and Enter together. This inserts a soft line break, which moves text to a new line without creating a full new paragraph. It's the best way to keep line spacing compact and consistent. Reserve the regular Enter key for moments when you truly want a new paragraph. Enter adds a hard break, which includes the default paragraph spacing. Confluence applies. Using Enter sparingly helps prevent those oversized gaps from returning. Once you've made your fixes, publish the page. After it loads, scan through the sections you edited and check that the spacing looks cleaner and more consistent. If you still spot a gap that feels too wide, click Edit again, fine-tune the blank lines, and publish once more. A couple of quick passes are often all it takes, and that's it. By removing unnecessary blank lines, using Shift plus Enter for smaller breaks, and saving full paragraphs for when you really need them, your Confluence pages will look neat, professional, and easy to read.